Good morning, friends. Happy May 1st. It is Friday today, and let's get started with our number corner. Just a reminder that if you have the ability to print off this sheet, I sent it this morning, please print it because it'll definitely be a lot of help to you. If not, you can follow along, or you can make your own chart that is 1 through 120. It's up to you. So if you need to print it quick or make one quick, you can pause the video, make that, and then rejoin us. Okay, so let's get started. So here we are. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Let's see what we have today. All right, so we have a little writing here. Let's see what it says. Here comes Tad, ready to explore. What did he see on 20 plus 4? So here comes Tad, ready to explore. What did he see on 20 plus 4? What's 20 plus 4? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And what color is our card? Orange. All right, keep that in mind. So I have my three colors. I have orange, purple, and yellow. So those are the three colors that you are going to need for your May Hidden Picture Grid. But we know that the picture is orange today. So, and the riddle was, what makes 20 plus 4? We know that 20 plus 4 is 24 right here. So I'm going to color that orange. There we go. Perfect. Let's hop back to our grid. So tomorrow is Saturday, and we do not have school. So we are just going to do that one today. Do you think it's going to be another problem like this, or what do you think it's going to look like? Right now would be a good time to pause the video and think about what you think it's going to look like. All right, let's see what number 2 looks like. So tomorrow is May 2nd, Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. But before we do this, we have to fill out our grid. Okay, so here we are. May 1st, we didn't start anywhere. We didn't move anywhere. And our equation was 20 plus 4 equals 24. And what number did we end on? 24. Absolutely. All right, let's check our other ones. Let's see. We have a purple card today, and it's Tad telling us number 24 and showing us arrows, 2 down and 2 to the left. What do you think that means? Let's check. So the card was purple, so I have my purple marker. And Tad told us to start on 24. So I'm going to start right here on 24. And then he told us to go down 2 and then to the left 2. So let's do that. Down, down, over, over. What number do we end on? 42. So let's color number 42. There we go. Perfect. Color it a little bit better. Beautiful. Okay. Now we have to write our equation. So look at this. So we started on number 24, and then we went down. When we go down, how much did we add to 24? from 24 to 34, how much is that? All right, let's see. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. How many? 10. So we started on 24, we added 10, and then we went down one more. How many more did we add? 10. And then we went from 44 to 43. Did we add or did we subtract? Did we add or did we take away? We took away. How many did we take away? 1. So from 44 to 43, that's taking away 1. And from 43 to 42, that's taking away 1 also. Wow, let's add that. Okay, so we started on number 24. And we moved down, down, and then to the left. To the left, to the left. So that's how we moved. And our equation is we started on 24, and then we added, when we went down, how much did we add? 10. When we went down one more time, how much did we add? 10. And then we went to the left. And we said that we didn't add, we subtracted. So we have to take away 1. Minus 1. We had to go to the left one more time. So we took away minus 1. Very good. And where did we land? We landed on number 42. And that's where we ended, on number 42. Awesome. This is fun. I'm excited to see what we get tomorrow. How many days in school? Let's add another day in school. So, yesterday we had 152 days in school. If we add one more day, what do we get? Let's see if you're right. Here's 100. Let's count by tens. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, stop, 151, 152, 153. Fantastic. 153 days. Beautiful. Written form, 153 days. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones? There's 100 plus how many tens? 5 tens. Plus how many ones? 3 ones. Expanded form, remember that's our equation. We can use the hundreds, tens, and ones and our day in school to help us write it. So how many hundreds do we have? 100. How many tens do we have? 5 tens. Now, we know that 5 tens doesn't equal 5. So let's check. 5, counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good. So plus 50. And how many ones? 3. And that equals 153 days. Just going to do 153. There we go. Now, last month we collected popsicle sticks. This month we are going to be collecting quarters. You guessed it. We're going to be collecting quarters. So here's our quarter poem. We're going to go over this and we're going to talk about how much a quarter is worth. And then we will move on to the activity of collecting our quarters. So, our quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. Let's check out our collecting for today, or for this month for today. We are at week 1 of our collecting, day 1 of our collecting. So we need to collect some quarters. So I have a quarter right here, and I have $1. What is the difference between a quarter and $1? Do you know what the difference is? Okay, let's check it out. So a quarter is worth 25 cents, and a dollar is worth, you guessed it, a dollar. So right here, I have a dollar that's on a grid, and I have quarters that are on a grid. Do you notice the difference in the sizes? I notice that the quarters are smaller and that the dollar grid is bigger. Watch what happens when I do this. So I just put 4 quarters on my dollar grid. Why? That is the question. Why did I put 4 quarters on my dollar grid? It is because there are 4 quarters in a dollar. So this equals a dollar and this equals a dollar. So these both equal a dollar. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So we are collecting a quarter today. So here's our quarter right here. Well, actually, we'll collect a new one. Here we go. And week 1, there's our quarter. All right. Do we have any dollars yet, or do we just have cents? We just have cents right now. We only have 25 cents. We don't have any dollars yet. So keep that in mind. Here's your schedule for learning at home for today, for Friday. You have a long vowel activity that is in Google Classroom, handwriting practice, more information on that in Google Classroom as well. Watch Math Lesson 5. It is Mrs. Mullery again. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. And, no science or social studies, but there are your optional specials in art, music, and PE from Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. So friends, it is going to be beautiful out today. So get outside, get some fresh air, have a beautiful Friday, and have a great weekend. Bye guys.